I actually just started my first funded challenge for $10,000. This is about to be my first trade in it. It is currently 12:13 a.m. and I'm looking at GJ. Now, a lot of people right now are probably looking at GJ and saying, yo, this is gonna go down, because like if you look at these candles, looking at the 4 hour, you see like we've had a lot of momentum. Look at how big these red candles have been. This was news. I remember seeing it all the way up here, man. Like this was just, it's been pushing down. If I look at the hour, like we're seeing a lot of red. The EMA is red right now after we just broke this trend line. So I can 100% see how this would go down. However, I'm going for a buy. And the main reason for that is actually due to the fact that on the hour, if I kind of just look at this section right here, the EMA is kind of laying within the middle. And with my EMA, if my EMA is in the middle, that means we're in consolidation. So right now what I'm looking at actually is this. A support here. Every time it hit this, we went up. I'm expecting it to go up right here. I'm going to show you why in a second. And then right here, see, as you can see, that this average is moving. Average is telling me the average price. So that means that the resistance is like around this area. Look at this. Look, if I look all the way over to here, we have a red zone right here where we kept seeing sellers coming, right? So this is kind of what we're floating in between, right? I think a lot of people are going to try to sell this, and it's going to create volume for the buyers right now. So if I go down to the 15-minute, the main reason I'm looking for a buy here is because I'm seeing, if I erase this right here, I'm seeing what seems to be a head and shoulders pattern right here. And this is one of my bread and butter reversal patterns. If I see a head and shoulders pattern, I'm going in for that buy, bro. I'm not going to lie. The only reason I'm not going crazy with the lot size is because I only put in a 0.25 right now. So with about, we'll say 140 pips. So we're looking at about $300. So to pass this challenge for phase one, all I have to do is get a target of $800. If this trade plays through, this will already be $300 out of that 800. All I'll have to do is make $500. And now if London session hits and I see another re-entry, I'm going in for that entry, because this looks like it's going to be a high momentum trade if it decides to go up. I'm not going to speak on definites. I know I've had a problem in the past with psychology. So as I saw the market going up, I was really happy, extremely happy. It's counting my blessings and everything like that, but it hasn't hit TP yet. It actually, my TP, I actually have it 161, 200. It's 20 pips away, and it rejected, and it has gone down. Wow, 90 pips. But I had set my stop loss to break even. I'm hoping it's just retesting this support right here. On the hour, this looks like the downtrend could be continuing, and you never know what the market's gonna do. And I think this type of thing is exactly what traumatizes people, because my stop loss is right here, bro. I mean, well, my take profit is right here, and for it to move down against me 90 pips, like I'm talking about, I just lost 9x right there. It makes me regret, like it makes me think like, oh man, I should have just took profit, but how would I have known, you know? And that's what I'm trying to keep. I'm trying to stay level-headed, and I'm hoping this is just a retracement, you know? But that's just me hoping, you know, because I do recognize that, you know, we have been in a downtrend on the higher time frames. Had an amazing entry. Absolutely amazing entry. Like, bro, this was perfect entry. I was like just dreaming about waking up in the morning and showing all the gods in the school of gods that, yo, I caught perfect entry. You feel me? Like enough pips that literally if I put in a standard, could have beat this challenge in a day. And you know, I'm hoping this rejection does hold. But yeah, like it just shows you really just that you can't count your blessings until take profit is hit, bro. You feel me? Because if I did that and then I saw how much this shit moved against me, I would have probably got out of my trade. I'm in 3 entries on my account. That's my personal account. And then on my Forex funds. We're still up $67, but this was $200 at one point. So to see it move against me like this, like, kind of sucks. It really does kind of suck, but I trust my plan enough that I'm just gonna hold it. You feel me? If it does end up going back to my entry, it'll be break even, so I won't lose anything on the challenge. So I'll still have, you know, a buffer of, you know, $500 loss. But, you know, just if it doesn't go up, it just kind of sucks, because it's just like, bro, I was up $200 at one point. Like, I'm at 72 right now. 71 is fluctuating. Hopefully this continues to, you know, reject. I hope it does. I'm gonna hold it. This is why, like, I wish I was able to fall asleep. I literally was not able to fall asleep, because if I was able to fall asleep, I would not be worried about this right now. I wouldn't be. You know, like I'm telling you, like, I lose the most money when I'm awake, and it's because psychology is a big part of Forex, bro. 70% of trading is psychology. So, you know, like, I like this rejection right now, but until candle close, I won't count my blessings. It looks like it's probably gonna go if I'm gonna have to get out, which sucks, bro. I'm telling you, that sucks. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. That engulfed. That looks like it engulfed, bro. Damn. I really want to just hold it, bro. I really do, and I think that's a mistake in itself too. I honestly think that's a mistake in itself. What do I do? Because it looks like it could have rejected off of this. It looks like it could have. What do I do? I said if it engulfed, I'd get out. I did say that. Too early to call. We'll wait for this 5 minute to close, but like I said, if it's pushing like this in the first minute, bro, it's usually fluff, bro. Like, I could see this becoming a red candle easily. Man, this sucks, I'm telling you. Right now, this is a good enough close that if it closes around this area, I will just be calm enough to just hold this trade in that I have on the challenge account, and I'll let it just, you know, hit break even. You feel me? So this is what happens, bro. This is like when you trading, bro. This is what happens, bro. Like, you could, like, one moment you up, one moment you feeling euphoria, one moment you thanking God, because that's exactly what I was doing, bro. Next moment you like, dang, you regretting, you know, you're feeling fear. You feel me? Like, it's just every moment in the market is a war, bro. This is a war against your own mind, bro. But it's just like, I look at my plan. My plan has been tested time and time again. You feel me? So if I got out, I feel like that's me saying, you know, I don't trust myself. I don't trust my plan. I have objective take profits for a reason, because they've been tested. I've done the back testing. You see all these other things? I've done the back testing. You feel me? You see all this on my charts, bro. I've done the back testing. This got hit right here, right? This got hit right here, right? This got hit right here, right? You see how much these pinks have been hitting? My plan has been tested, bro. Like, I think it's, for me to get out is like punch in the face. You feel me? Next time I try to trade, my mind would tell me, are you sure? I'm just gonna second guess myself even more now, because I second guess myself here. You feel me? So this is just this. I want to say this is the market playing games with me. That's what I want to say, because my plan is telling me this is a buy. That's what my plan is telling me. But at the end of the day, I don't know what's gonna happen. So it is now the morning. It is 9:48 a.m. and as you can see, my perfect entry from last night, hit, take, profit. Amazing, right? It's just amazing how the market will play games against you, how it will make it seem as if, look, with a big fat red engulfing, you feel me? Make it seem as if it's gonna go down. Like, you have an engulfing here on the 15-minute. You have an engulfing here on the 5-minute. Even an engulfing here on the 1 hour, bro. Seeming to respect this resistance, right? Still went up. Even the buyers couldn't engulf. Even the buyers right here, weak. Sellers were still in control. Even here, weak. Still couldn't. Like, bro, I'm like, yo, there's everything is pointing down. You feel me? And it still went up. This just proved to me that my trading plan, once again, is foolproof. I know what I'm talking about. And GJ is still a fucking bitch. You feel me? But hey, you know what? I'm still grateful because I still came out with $100 profit. It would have been double that if, I had just waited. I wish I had fell asleep. Like I said, I make more money when I'm sleeping than when I'm awake. Because psychology, bro, 70%. Trading is 70% psychology. But I'm going to be grateful because I still made that $100. And I know that if I decided to not play conservative, and if I decided, okay, I can literally pass this challenge right now, I would have put in a standard right there, and I would have passed this challenge in a day. You feel me? So I'm not even mad at it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not even, because to be real, I think even in another world, I still probably would have got out right here. Because I'm going to be real with you, bro. Everything was pointing down, bro. And this is exactly what GJ would do, bro. GJ loves to play these games, bro. GJ loves to play games. That's why you can't believe shit this market feeds you. You just have to really just trust structure, bro. You feel me? And if I was looking at it correctly, I would have maybe dragged this out a little bit more. And I would have seen that we had formed a head and shoulders right here. We had formed another head and shoulders right here. So, of course, that shit was going to respect that. You feel me? So, that's on me. That's on me, bro. You feel me? That's on me. I ain't mad at nothing. You feel me? That's on me. I could have passed this challenge in a day, bro. That's all I need to know. You feel me? So, that ain't hurt my confidence or nothing. I still came out profitable. You feel me? Could have been more, but oh well. You feel me? We're not going to deal with could have been, should have been, whatever, bro. You feel me? All I know is I knew. You feel me? That's all I know. You feel me? And as long as I know, shit, we up. So, fuck it.